Hi, this is Mark, and I'm with Darlene at Superfoods. Darlene, tell me a little bit about what you do.
We are a vegetarian and vegan cafe. We specialize in making a lot of our foods fresh here in the store. We also have a lot of gluten-free options, raw vegan options. Basically everything we do here is made with organic ingredients and made to order. We're all about food safety, so if you have any gluten issues, we have separate cutting boards for our gluten-free customers, separate utensils, separate ovens that we would use to prepare their food. And for anybody with any type of nut allergies, again, we take extra precautions to make sure that everybody stays safe and they can enjoy our food.
Thanks, Darlene. When you're looking for a healthy alternative, visit my friends Darlene and Elena at Superfoods in downtown Mount Airy. Your healthy choice for breakfast, lunch, or dinner.